Hello everybody, I have a new channel, so check it out. There'll be an info card telling you, I'm pretty sure. And you can check it out by pushing channels. After this video, you can push channels. This is also a nature video. And I'd just like to let you know this new channel is about nature and Eddie. So Eddie will be going live again. So, yeah. It's a really nice channel, so you can push channels, and if you want to go back to my channels from that channel, you just push channels on the other channel.